How are we doing today? Erik, assistant golf professional here at Worcester Country Club. Today we're going to talk about chipping. We're going to talk a lot about setup to get us in the right position to hit the right chip shot. When I see people chipping, I see a very wide stance and their weight a little bit behind the ball. So when our weight's behind the ball, we're trying to hit the ball in the upswing. Two things can happen. You can either hit it fat, or you can compensate for it and lift the club up and hit the ball thin and scull it over the green. So when we're chipping, we want to make sure that our stance is more narrow. I'm standing a little bit taller. And naturally, when your stance is more narrow, your weight is a little bit on your left side. So when we hit a chip shot, and I swing my arms, my weight still transfers slightly from my right to my left, which is good because when you transfer your weight, you're allowing that leading edge to get underneath the ball and the club face to get on the ball, which creates shaft lean. Shaft lean is very important for hitting the correct chip shot. When you're taking a full swing setup and your weight's behind the ball, you're trying to hit the ball in the upswing, so my shaft is now like that. My hands need to be ahead of the ball. So when I have a narrow stance, my weight's a little bit left, and then when I make my swing, it transfers from my right to my left. I allow that leading edge to get underneath the ball and create some shaft lean. If you need any help with this, please visit the golf shop to any of our golf professionals, and we'd be happy to help.